Hey, welcome to Chelsea's Quick Bites. I'm excited to hang out with you in the kitchen today. Get ready for some cooking shenanigans as we whip up something delicious together. Whether you're a cooking guru or simply just love good food, we're going to do it all.
Today we're going to be making walnut taco meat and the ingredients are listed below. Walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and protein. Sit them in water and soak them overnight or for at least 30 minutes. Next, get you some red onion and chop it up. Add some olive oil to a skillet and saute that. Get you some tomato paste and taco seasoning of your choice. Add that to your onions and mix it well. Drain and rinse your walnuts and finely chop them. Add them with your other ingredients and mix it well. This is the finished product. I chose to make taco nachos. Thanks for watching. Join me next time on Chelsea's Quick Bites.